हाय फ्रेंड्स, हम सपना अग्रवाल, क्रिएटिव डायरेक्टर एट अंसा आर्किटेक्चर एंड इंटीरियर डिजाइन कंसल्टेंसी, एंड आज हम बात करने वाले हैं लग्जरी एंड एलिगेंस इन अ होटल बेडरूम. A luxurious and an elegant hotel bedroom is a sanctuary of comfort and style, meticulously designed to provide an unforgettable experience. Key elements will include scrumptious bedding, high thread count linens, plush pillows, soft and really inviting duvet, which creates a bed that is like an epitome of comfort. Rich material like use of premium materials like silk and velvet, like you see here, the linen and velvet, very high quality cotton, along with rich wooden furniture like this, and some amount of marble accents, which just exudes sophistication. You also have to go with a sophisticated color palette. The harmonious blend of neutral tones such as cream, taupe, the colors that you majorly see here, and gold, accentuated with just one deep jewel tone, adds just a depth and richness to the space. Thoughtful lighting is a must. Something like an elegant chandelier, bedside lamps, and some strategically placed ambient lights, which create a warm, inviting atmosphere while just highlighting rooms some exclusive details. Custom furnishing is like tailored furniture pieces with intricate details and superior craftsmanship provide both style and functions. Curtains really play a very important role. Apart from that, you also have to have some luxurious amenities such as walk-in closet or a very well stocked minibar, and maybe an art state of art entertainment system which just enhances the guest experience. Bathrooms are something we really look forward to when we go to hotels. A spa like bathroom, a lavish ensuite bathroom with a soaking bathtub, rain shower, high end toiletries offer a serene retreat for relaxation. I somehow feel that personalized touches is what makes the whole difference. Thoughtful details like fresh flowers, curated artwork, a welcome note, specifically if it's handwritten, something which is very personal and very exclusive, makes the guest feel very pampered. Together, all these elements create kind of an environment for refining the elegance, ensuring that guests feel pampered and just indulge in the moment that they stepped into the room. Thank you so much for watching this video. For any kind of architecture and interior design consultancy, you can contact us in the details given below. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.